Demolition of Chaguanas Vendors Mall for new transport hub. Borough moves in after relocation, deadline expires.
A few months ago they get noticed, but this is what going on. This is what going on. Vendors Mall in Chaguanas. They ain't playing, what's going on there? Well, police on the scene. Yeah. Once upon a time.
I remember you days inside here last year.
I know. Yeah, boy, fellows. Respect. Once upon a time, all there. Bro. So they are your last day, yeah. They're shutting down the Vendors Mall. Serious? Yeah.
Biggest thing for food stadium.
Officers, I didn't know you walk. Officer, you escucha borroso no compound, eh? Get there.
That takes a minute.
Only one person. Yeah.